Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw an Alicorn from Roblox Adopt Me Pets. So let's get started. To draw this beautiful Alicorn, let's first start by drawing its eyes. So we're going to start right here with a circle. And then I'm going to come right here on the corner and draw a circle for highlight and shade everything else in. Now that we have that eye in, we're going to imagine this at an angle. There's going to be the other eye because we're kind of looking at this Alicorn at an angle. So let's just give it at a slant. So we're just going to, this is the center, we're just going to come right across and about right here, just go ahead and draw a curve. So kind of this curve right there of that circle. So we just draw kind of like a half of a circle, approximately the same size as that one. And about right here, we're just going to bring it in. So it's just like this little sliver of the circle. And once again, we're just going to come right here, do a highlight, and then shade everything else in. There. So now that we have that, we can go ahead and so this is the nose part, the bridge of our Alicorn. We're going to come right here in the center and we're just going to bring out a curve. So this is going to be the beginning of the snout. And we're just going to about right here, just start to curve it in and kind of slant it down. And let's come underneath. So let's bring this underneath. So we're going to curve it underneath this eye, kind of pop it in. Let's give a slight curve out and then the jaw area, about right there. So this is always the hardest part right here, but hopefully I've helped you step by step. Then from there, let's imagine this is coming through. So right about here, we're going to pop this out to the top of the head. Then from there, if you're using a pencil, just go ahead and finish this curve. But I need to draw the horn. So I'm going to come right about here in the center and draw a curve. I'm going to find my center. So let's say this is the angle of my horn, about right here. Just going to round it off and connect everything down. And same thing here to create our horn. There. And then I'm just going to come in here really quickly and draw some curves in here to give our horn some detail. There. And then I'm just going to imagine this is coming through and about right here we're going to pop it out, come down for the head. And once again, if you're using a pencil, just go ahead and finish this curve. But I'm going to stop right here at this angle, about in this area, and I'll just draw a curve just kind of over this eye, and right here I'm just going to pop out this ear, so round off that tip and come down. Then we're just going to draw the inside there, and then let's just still imagine this is coming through. So then about right here, just going to go ahead and curve it out and connect everything. There. And I'm just going to go ahead and just draw a soft curve right over here. There. Then from there, we need to draw the other ear. So we might see a little bit of it. So I'm just going to say about right here, just kind of pop out this curve for a little indication. And then we need to draw the mane. So let's come out right here and we're going to curve out nice and full and come out and curve it in. Then we're going to draw another one, come in, another one. So we're just going to build it up all along here. And let's see here. Then about right here is where I'm going to stop and say about right here. I'm just going to draw a soft curve. This is kind of starting of the body. And we're going to put the curve about right here, the eye, and we're just going to start to curve down. So just kind of imagine we're going to be drawing this kind of ovalish shape. But before I do that, I need to come into this area and we're going to draw the wing. So right about here, we're going to curve and start the wing. So we're going to draw a really nice big wing. So there's two parts to it. So we're going to come up and draw the first part. And I'm just going to draw a bunch of curves. And connect it there. Then we need to draw the outside part. So we're going to bring this up nice and high. Nice big wing. Almost to the top of like where our mane is. And once again, we're going to do the same thing, but just longer and bigger. So have fun with this. And we just want to bring it all back in. So we just want to create this almost triangular shape. That's the goal. Then from there, we can go ahead and say, just imagine this as an oval. So let's say about right here. We're going to go ahead and connect everything. So like I said, if you're using a pencil, you could just draw this shape first and then put in the wing, if that's easier. There. Okay, nice full body. Then from there, let's see. Oh, and then we have one more right here that we're gonna just kind of tuck in to finish. And then in the original, it has a part of the wing on this side. I'm not sure if technically that's correct, but I'm just gonna put it and follow it because I feel like we do need to kind of show the other wing. So let's say about right here. Just gonna come down and then maybe just another curve. Something like that. Hopefully that doesn't look too weird. But just a little indication of the other side. Okay, so then from there, we're pretty much almost done. We need to draw the feet. So kind of like right about here, we're going to come down, and in this area, we're just going to draw these gumdrop feet. So nice big curve, and then connect it. Then another one at this angle. So same thing about right here. And then same thing on the other side. So about right here, another set. And so at that angle, about right here. But before I draw that one, I need to come back up here and we need to draw some of these feathers, I guess, on the feet. And so I'm just gonna go ahead and draw these, kind of looks like flames to spruce it up. So same thing here. There. And then one more over here. And then so the other one would be about right here. We're just going to tuck it in about right here just to make it a little bit simpler. So I don't have to make a mess. There. Okay. So that is pretty much it, except I will maybe right here just tuck in this little heart to make it my Draw So Cute Alicorn from Roblox Adopt Me Pets. I really hope you love how this Alicorn turned out, and I hope to draw it fun and easy today. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.